Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Caviar Kez, if you're not familiar. If you're new here, stop what you're doing, subscribe. I have an exciting first impressions, and this is an honest first impressions. This is from an online store called CELIE Hair. So I'm here, giving y'all all the details. I came across this company through Aliexpress when I was online shopping for some new curly hair. It came via FedEx, so I'll show you. I know a lot of people want to know like what it comes in. So it came in this FedEx package for super fast shipping. So I was really thrilled about that. And this is the hair in here, guys. I haven't opened up the packages, so this is the package that it comes with. It comes with a little baggie, a nice bag actually. And all of the hair comes in there, and it says CELIE Hair, as you guys can see. And it has their Instagram, Facebook, WhatsApp, their email on the package there for you guys. So let's get into it. I ordered some, what exactly did I order? Let me see. It was the Remy Brazilian hair bundles with Frontal, and it's in the loose deep wave pattern. So I ordered inches 20, 22, 24, and an 18-inch closure. And the total came up to $242 Canadian. So it literally came within like 2 days. If you ordered it throughout the week, like on a Monday, you'd probably get it by Wednesday. So super fast shipping, and I was really impressed with that. The communication was amazing. The company contacted me right away to verify that my address was correct and my order was correct. I really liked that. Let's get to the juicy stuff. So it comes with this little, what is this? A beauty start, I guess a little pamphlet. It shows you all the different hair textures that they have, unprocessed virgin human hair, and it shows you like it tells you how to care for it before washing it, and it has just some photos of some of the other, I guess some of their clients and people that gave a review. This is what y'all are here for. Let me just get another sip of wine. I had a long day at school, but I had a good day. So let's start off with the bundles. So 20, 22, and a 24. So that's the 20-inch. It comes in a package. Really nice package. Nice labeling. Clear. It says the size, the length of every bundle. That's very pretty. Very appealing. Like that's very nice. And then I have the Frontal here. Also comes in a baggie. And it came with, what is this? I think this is a pin that I will not be wearing. Okay, let's open this 24-inch length. Okay, so take off that package. Okay, so the bundles feel very soft after combing it through. It smells just like any other hair. It just smells like Aliexpress hair. If you're familiar with like Aliexpress hair, that's what it smells like. It feels pretty soft. I like how the curls look open. It's really pretty. That's what it looks like combed through. Am I getting any shedding? Yep, I have 1, 2, 3 strands of hair. I don't know if that's picking up, but I have a few strands of hair just from running my hands through it. So that, another strand there. That's a sign that it's going to shed. And curly hair definitely tends to shed a lot more. On the sign it says you can original virgin hair unprocessed. You can dye, bleach, perm. And it says on the label how to maintain. You should use lukewarm water, mild shampoo with nourishing conditioner, and leave in hair to dry. Okay, so the wefts look pretty good. That's what the wefts look like. It's a decent size for a 24-inch bundle. It looks to be pretty consistent with most hair companies. And I see some color in there. I'm not sure if the camera will pick up, but I see some color. It looks like a dark brown, it looks like a 1B. It's like a nice, pretty, natural brown. It's not jet black. It doesn't look like it's been colored or dyed, so that's actually nice to see. Okay, so that's the first bundle. Let's move on to the 22-inch. If you like full hair, they did recommend going with minimum 3 to 4 bundles for your wig, but I have a lace frontal, so that takes up a lot of space on the wig. So to be honest, like, I'm sure I won't have an issue, but I do like full bundles. Like, I like a full wig, but the good thing with that is the curly hair does tend to fill up the wig a lot more than straight hair. So out the package, that's what it looks like. Very shiny. It has a nice luster, natural looking. It doesn't look to be like super processed. Running my hands through it, same thing. A few strands of hair. Not sure if that's picking up on camera. This bundle smells the exact same way. I see some gray hairs. I see some brown hairs. So it definitely looks to be virgin hair quality. The bundle size looks even smaller than this is the 24-inch. This is the 22-inch. And that bundle looks smaller than the 24-inch. Combing it through, it's getting pretty full. Like, honestly, I'm pretty sure the 3 bundles will be just enough where it still looks natural and nice. Okay, we're moving on to the 20-inch bundle. I think I need a wine break. How are you guys doing? Are you guys excited about this video? Curly hair? You guys seem to like curly hair. A lot of people like curly hair. This hair that I'm wearing right now is my Queen's Hair product hair, Ali Queen. The same hair that I just did the review on, the 6 months review update on the hair. It's the same hair. I re-bleached it again, so I lightened it twice now, and it's held up just fine. Still bouncy and like really nice. So shout out to them because they have good hair. If you want good hair that you can do all crazy things to, like bleach it and, you know, color it gray, that's a good choice. Back to this review. Same thing. Okay, so the weft looks a little bit bigger. It looks to be about the same size as this is the 20-inch bundle compared to the 24. I'm really impressed with the 24-inch bundle. It looks pretty full compared to all the other bundles. So that's the length. It's not a huge difference compared to the 3 lengths. You can see the shortest bundle is right here. And again, I'm going to run my hands through it. Ooh, that bundle feels really soft. It really feels really soft. Honestly, it feels, if I can remember, it feels softer than the All Love hair. So, pretty impressed with that. Ooh, that's pretty. It's going to be so pretty. That curl, I love that curl. I'm not a huge fan of like the super deep wave curls, so I like it to be more of like a loose wave curl, if that makes sense. So I'm happy that I found that. So that's the 3 bundles together. Am I getting shedding? No, not anymore. Oh, got one here. Can you see that? So that's the 3 bundles. You can see it's pretty bouncy. The longest length, which would be a 24, will hit me right under my boobs, so right under my titties. Okay, so now we're going to open the 18-inch frontal. I'm not sure if it's a 13 by 13, but I'm pretty sure it's a 13 by 13 or, ooh, wow, that's long. Okay, so that, let me see here. So the baby hairs that are on the top of the frontal are really long, but it's pretty straight here. I'm not a fan of how short it is here. I'm not sure if you guys can pick up, but the baby hairs go pretty far back into the frontal, which I'm not a huge fan of. Also, I don't really care for it being like super straight midway into the frontal, like the start of the frontal. So I don't know how I feel about that, but it's okay. I'm sure it'll be fine. And that's the curl. The frontal seems pretty full. The density is nice. I don't think I would want it any fuller than that. The knots are not bleached. I'm not sure if you guys can see that, but they're not bleached. The lace is it's a nice color. Hopefully I don't have any issues like I did with the last hair that I ordered. Okay, so that's what the lace looks like on me, so not bad. Does it go to my ear? It sure does. So ear to ear, it does reach ear to ear. Running my hands through it, am I experiencing any shedding? Yes, I have about 5 hairs, so that could be a bit scary. Hopefully it's not bald like my other frontal I have. Some more shedding. Yeah, the frontal sheds a lot, so I would advise you to not yank on the hair too much. I'm not sure. Will it pick up? There you go. But it's pretty full. I like it. I like the color. It feels really soft. The curl pattern seems to match the bundles. So that's always nice. Sometimes you see bundles and frontals not matching. So yeah, I'm pretty excited to create this unit. So guys, I will be installing this hair into a wig, and I will come back with another video to show you guys what it actually looks like and to give my feedback and my thoughts on how I'm liking the hair. So give me some time to do that, and I'll get back to you guys. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to find out what this hair is actually like. I will continue to do reviews on the hair to let you guys know if it tangles, if it sheds, if it's changed in texture, all that good stuff. So if you want to see those videos, subscribe, comment below if you have any questions. You know, I always answer them when I get the chance. I'm pretty good with that. So that's all. This hair was brought to you by CELIE Hair, but I paid for it.